Hello everyone and welcome back to Joe and Zach Survival. So I'm going to be doing a quick narration on the beginning part of this video because the GoPro audio did not turn out. This year Sam and I are doing a straw bale garden. Dad and Melissa really inspired us to do this because last year when we seen their garden there was so many cherry tomatoes. We just could not get over it, so we had to try it. And Melissa bought us a nice book. It's called Straw Bale Gardens. It's by Joel Karstein, and we read it. It's a 170-page book, and it explains the whole entire process. Right here, what you see is me doing the 12-day prepping process. You put a cup of fertilizer on each bale for the first few days, and then after that, it's a half a cup. And every day you have to water it like crazy. Now, I didn't do every single day. I didn't want this to be a how-to video because, well, it's our first year doing it, so the results might be different than what we were expecting. But it's just a really fun process, and I think you guys will be surprised with the results. So stay tuned. I'm going to fade away here, and we're going to get back to the video. But thanks a lot for watching, guys, and hopefully we have a good harvest this year. Okay, now I have my sprayer. I have it on jet, and I'm going to try to, you want to try to push these little granules down into the bale. And you're really going to have to soak them. And just go through and do that with all of them. You want water running out the bottom. Okay, we got the fertilizer on there, and I watered them pretty good. I'm going to water them again in the afternoon. But that's a good start for day number 3. Rose, what does the giraffe say? Moo! Okay everyone, so we have conditioned the bales and now it's time to plant. It is Memorial Weekend, it's the Sunday before Memorial Day, and we just sprouted our first mushrooms. I was unsure if we were going to get the mushrooms or not, but we did, so that's a definite sign that these bales are ready to go. We got, of course, Sam and our helper Rose. Right now we're just going to be putting on some topsoil on all the bales. You're supposed to do it with your vegetables like carrots or maybe green beans just to get them started because they need that dirt start, but we're just going to spread it over all of them because it just makes it simpler and then there's no guesswork. So that's what we're going to work on right now, and yeah, so let's get started with that. Okay, the big question is going to be, what are we planting?
Okay, we have garden green beans, thyme, rosemary, cucumbers, broccoli, sugar daddy peas, carrots, cilantro. Can you show them? Basil, radishes, strawberries, and zucchini.
Awesome.
And then we got some tomatoes. I think 4 of these are tomatoes, and then we have green peppers and jalapenos.
Alright. Okay, so we're just gonna get this dirt spread out and start planting.
Buggy, we're gonna pat.
Okay, Sam is just going through and writing on the little label sticks we bought. Say hello.
Well,
Say kitty. Good job.
Easy peasy.
Here, just take the one, put it in the hole, right here. One more. Put one more in there. Yeah, I'll put that one in. Okay, now we cover it. You pat it real good, okay? Okay, so here is the layout. Green beans for these first 2 bales. Peas, zucchini, cucumber. Second row, carrots, broccoli, green pepper. Then these 2 are bell peppers, and that's a jalapeno. Nothing's at the end of that one. Maybe we could put in a cucumber or something. We got tomatoes, more tomatoes, the big tomato, radishes, and strawberries, and a bug. Okay everyone, so we planted the garden on May 30th. It's now June 4th, and we're gonna go through and show you guys what's come up and how things are looking. The tomato plants are doing okay, the little ones here. Although the big one, we're unsure if it'll survive. We gave it a bunch of water and it's doing okay. But this is actually a yellow cherry tomato plant. These are radishes, and you can see that they're all starting to sprout. They're looking real healthy. Nothing yet on the strawberries, but they'll be here. Strawberries are always really hardy, so I don't think they'll. Now in the second row here, nothing for the carrots yet. We have 2 broccolis, one here, which Sam said that we planted 2 of them. And we got mushrooms, those started coming through. Our herbs, we have nothing yet. We have mushrooms though, which is a good sign. These are the peppers, right?
Yep.
The green peppers, those are doing really good. They don't look wilty or anything yet, although Melissa said that her peppers last year didn't do very good. So we'll see if those survive. We think they might not though, but we'll find out. All right, and now for the last row. Nothing yet on the green beans. We have nothing yet for the peas, but we do have a zucchini that popped through. And we have 1, 2, and 3, 4. These 2 are together. We always put 2 seeds in there, so that's the cucumbers. So that's well, a little less than 1 week's time, and things are looking good. Okay everyone, so that is a 1 week update on the garden. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in a couple weeks.